Hi friends, my name is Tanisha and welcome to my channel Fantastic Nikki. Today I'm gonna give you a detailed tour of Mementos by ITC in Jaipur. I'm here for a couple of days. It's been almost 2.5 days here and I'm having a wonderful and pleasant stay at this resort. I always love Rajasthan because of their history, the palaces and fort, and I just love being coming here, staying in the palace hotels, be it real palace or man-made. It doesn't matter because I just love the culture here. So I'm just going to talk more on this hotel now. I'll share a detailed view, as I said, about the rooms, various category of rooms, the prices, how many restaurants are there, the pools, and everything about this place, so that it helps you when you come down and you plan your stay here. So coming to the destination, it's 34 kilometers away from Jaipur's International Airport, and this place is quite scenic because it's surrounded by Aravalli Mountains, and if you come here you would see it's completely surrounded by the mountains around it. So the best part of this hotel is that all the rooms are very spacious. They just have 64 rooms, which is kind of villas in the entire 12-acre of land that they have, and they have made sure that each room has a ventilation by giving balconies. Some of them are enclosed, some of them are having a open under the sky sit out areas. And also coming to the area name, it is actually located at the Jaipur-Delhi highway, which is famously known as Kukas. People who have visited Jaipur would know that Kukas is famous for its scenic view of Aravallis, and a lot of gateway hotels are there wherein you can come to the 5 stars and stay and enjoy, and ITC is one of them. This place is giving you a nice culture of Mughal era, because the way they have done the interiors of the entire resort is with the Mughal architecture, with having a Rajputi touch to it. Then coming to the categories of room, they have deluxe villas, they have medium category of suites, and then they have a pool suite where I am located. So the best category of this place is the Mementos Pool Suite, which is the only room that has a private pool, and it is actually located in kind of 700 square feet area. So I'll share more details on how the room looks like and various categories looks like, and what are the recreational activities that this resort gives you, and also the kids play area, steam and sauna that they have, etc. So watch this video if you want to plan your stay here. As soon as you check in, this is the place that takes you to the main lobby and do your check-in formalities. As you can see the peacock on the top, right from the beginning they start the beautiful Meenakari work which Jaipur is famous for, and they also do, by the way, a very warm welcome for you. I will share a video with you in this later part of this video, so that you can see how warm they welcome you. And when you get in, they actually welcome you with this refreshments, some refreshing drink here, some fruits and cookies, and the check-in was pretty smooth. Look at the beautiful chandelier on top of me. I just love Jaipur because of all of this. So and this hotel has kept it the same. And after the check-in is done, here is a small fountain which has a very amazing noise. I just love this. It's kind of a music to my ears, which takes me away from all the chaos around the world, and just stand here and feel one with the history of Jaipur. The way they have done the interiors, again, they have not done too much of commercialization to this property. It's quite rustic and very old heritage look and feel of this place, so which is why I like it more. So now I'm gonna take you through a small tour of the room where I'm staying, which is the highest category of room in Mementos by ITC Jaipur. It's named by Mementos Pool Suite. It has a 750 square meter area, and it's quite spacious. It has a breathtaking private pool, a spacious living room, and a very spacious bedroom. The washrooms are like so spacious. I've never seen in any of the 5 stars. So as soon as you come near the area of this room, there is an absolutely beautiful golden gate which starts with luxury from the beginning itself. And as you take few steps ahead, we enter to our room. So as you can see, my family is having a great time in the living area, and the little ones are enjoying their time with the television. With the room, they gave us this small cake because we were celebrating our anniversary, and some refreshments, fruits, dry fruits. There is a mini bar here and tea place. After the living area, there is the bedroom, which has a king size bed and king's bed. So you need to just let them know before your stay that you're coming with an infant. They will provide you a baby crib on a complimentary basis. There's a television, another television with the room that you get in the bedroom. There is a nice, spacious, but bear with the mess that's been created here because I'm with 2 children. So there's a wardrobe which is quite spacious, and you have a locker to keep your essentials here. As you can see, the washroom is very spacious. Right now they are doing some housekeeping work. There is a separate washroom and a huge bathtub and a small nice bathroom here with a sit out area here. And there is also 2 wash areas with the Meenakari worked mirror, which is amazing. And my favorite part is this mirror, which I use for makeup. And there is a dressing area, which is right now a mess, but I love because you can have a nice place to wear your sari. And also there is a separate area which I've never seen with any washrooms. I don't know, for some reason they keep it closed, but you can see how beautiful it is looking. Now I'm going to show you the best part of this room, which is absolutely breathtaking. And this is the private pool. We had an amazing time here in the pool. As you can already see the tubes of my kids. So the parents can leave the kids in the pool and have a nice time at the sit out area, sit and sip on some beer or tea and have a great family time. And there's some nice noise coming off this water when you're enjoying in the pool. There's one con which I felt in this room. As I showed you, there was only mirror in the washroom. So if the girls wants to get ready and somebody is in the restroom, you really have a bad luck because you got to wait for them to come out. There is no mirror in this entire room other than the washroom, which was a major setback for me. So this is another room that I have booked for my family, my parents and in-laws. It's a medium category of room if you look by the room categories by Mementos. So this is called Villa, and I like this room's interior because it has a Rajputi architecture and touch of Rajasthani folk history. As you can see, always there are, right now they are not seen, but there are a lot of pigeons that are around this area. And there are 2 rooms that they have kept in this entire area. And this is the entrance of the room, wherein you see a nice sit-out place under the sky, where you can sip on some tea with your loved ones. And here is the room. It's a king bed, and the best part is that there is a sofa where easily a third adult can, you know, uh, easily can have a nice place to sleep, and there is a separate sofa to sit. So I've not seen in a lot of the rooms that you have both the things in one room. There's also a place which is a nice sit out where you can have your business calls, television, and this is the luggage area, which is quite spacious. You have a locker to keep your essentials, and the wardrobe is also quite spacious. The bathroom is little less spacious than the other category, even though the bathtub is quite huge, but the space around the washroom is little less. But I like the Meenakari work which is there even over here, and it's around the property. Everywhere you'll see this peculiar Meenakari Jaipuri artwork. There are 2 wash areas, which again has a nice mirror with the Meenakari work. After you do the check-in, near to that place, there is a small temple of Balaji Hanumanji. It's a very sweet and nice temple they have made. And I like this because I don't hear any noise here. Just the noise of this water, small fountains around it, and lot of trees, nature, and you just get muted with all the chaos and noise in the world and just feel one with nature and God here. So this is my favorite spot in this entire resort. We are at Shahi Bagh in Mementos by ITC. There are 2 special wedding venues in this entire resort, and this is the main one. It can easily accommodate 3,000 above packs if you're planning a wedding or any special occasion at this place. Just look at the feel. It's really, really beautiful because as you can see the lush green garden here, the way they have done the Mughal architecture, it's really amazing. It takes you back to that, history of kings and queens, Maharajas. It gives you a palace and fort feel over here. So, in case you want to get married like a king and a queen, you can plan, a wedding here. I like this venue. Also, I wanted to tell you one thing. This is predominantly a marriage venue, Mementos by ITC. So, people who are coming here for leisure are having boon in disguise. You know why? Because you get very special treatment by the staff over here, because they are mainly actually free at the time after if the weddings are not happening. The reason being they're very limited guests otherwise. Like when I'm staying, I think only 3 or 4 families I saw in the entire breakfast buffet. So there is dedicatedly 4 or 5 members who's going to take care of each table. So you can imagine the amount of, special privilege and services that you will get. I call the buggy, it came in just a minute. So that is the amount of, special treatment that you get. Reason being, as I said, it comes back to the same fact that it's a wedding venue. And so people who are coming for a gateway just to have, a good time with their family, they will have really great experience, because otherwise in other hotels, it's pretty crowded in the breakfast time, and when you order it takes time, the buggy takes time. But over here, it's just in a snap. So that's why I'm liking this place more. There's a temple here in the Shahi Bagh which is surrounded by the Aravali Hills. It's making it even more beautiful. This temple is basically meant for the marriage couples to do the fairas and after wedding puja rituals, which is why they have made it. And there is, I don't know if my camera can capture, there is another temple on top of the Aravali mountain, which they say you should be traveling by foot and your mannat gets fulfilled. I really don't have the energy right now, but in future my plan is definitely to go there and have a visit, give my prayers to the God there. Good morning, friends. I'm heading for my breakfast. It's a wonderful sunny morning and I'm very hungry. So let's see what's in there for the breakfast spread. Wow, I can see wonderful flute music along with the breakfast. So here starts with a sweet mouth, some donuts, fresh fruits, and here are the whole raw fruits also for us. There's yogurt and cereals over here in case you want to eat healthy food. We have some idlis, sambar, upma, medhu vada, poha. What's this? Oh, bread pakoda also. Dal kachori, curry. We have aloo bhaji, pav bhaji. Wow, that's nice. And then malpua. Wow, I'm gonna try malpua. Some baked beans. And then they have this baked corn and peas, oatmeal porridge, and boiled eggs. And there's also fresh counter, live counters, wherein they are preparing dosa, omelette, and whatever you want to have in terms of dosa, podi, masala, masal dosa. There are also beverages that they kept: cold coffee, vanilla milkshake, and also there is a place where they prepare fresh tea, as well as they have kept a machine in case you want to have a cappuccino. So I just finished my breakfast at Mementos by ITC, and the tastiest among the spread was the dosas and the puri bhajis. I also like the masala tea. And just after the breakfast, I am here at the outside area, and there's a small fountain which is having a nice soothing noise of water. And it's a nice place because the way they have made this place is very beautiful. It's quite spacious, and just below the sun in this cold season, it feels amazing. You can sit here, have a nice time, like my family is having right now. I'll show you more of this place. Come. Right next to the breakfast, there is a common pool area. There is also kids pool attached to it. The main pool is 4 feet deep, and any adult can easily have a nice time in the pool because it is not that deep that you need to actually know swimming. They also give you complimentary tubes for the kids in case they don't know swimming. There is also a 24 by 7 safety guard who is there. And I like this pool because the surrounding is quite pleasant. You can see some trees around it, and it's quite sunny, as I said, so the sunbeds are very helpful. You can sit and have a nice relaxing time in your holiday. So this is a indoor recreational activity area where they have English snooker table. There is a table tennis and foosball, and my favorite, air hockey. I love playing this game a lot. They also have a dedicated toddler indoor area where the kids can have a nice time, and there is always a person who takes care of them. In case you want to drop your kids here and have your time, you can drop them here, and there's a person who will take care. Also outside the indoor recreational activity room, there is outdoor play area. In case you're coming with your family, you can come here, play some cricket or outdoor games. It's a quite spacious area. You can enjoy a nice activity here with your family. Here's the gym of Mementos by ITC Jaipur. I'll just quickly show you a small tour of the gym. So there are all necessary machines and equipments for you to keep your fitness intact while having a vacation. They have all cardio and everything here, cycling and all. And they give you fresh towels and some water and detox drinks on request. And there is also a trainer who is always there for you in case you want. Adjacent to the gym and the common pool, there is a spa where you can have steam and sauna on complimentary basis. And they have also full body therapies, which is on chargeable, somewhere around 5,500 to 10,000 range, based on what therapy you want to have. And as I said, you don't have to pay for steam and sauna. So, in case you want to try that out, it's really relaxing. So, you can do that on a complimentary basis. I want to take the moment to show you how close I am in this Mementos by ITC to the nature. I'm not sure if my camera could capture the wildcat there. And there are a lot of pigeons, and you're accompanied by hell lot of peacocks in this property. There are almost like 70 to 100 peacocks in the morning 7 a.m. when you come. You'll see a lot of peacocks and you can actually feed them. I just finished my breakfast and dipped in the pool, the private pool that is there in my room. I had real great fun, but the water was icy cold, so it seemed like a experience or a challenge that I did to get into an icy cold water with my family. But it was a lovely experience. Post that, we had a steam and sauna to cope up with the cold water. We had nice steam, so I really enjoyed the steam and sauna. It was a very luxurious and a pampering experience there. Now I'm decked up to go for lunch, and I had my lunch yesterday also, but I thought I'll give you a glimpse of how the lunch looks like at Amber Restaurant here in Mementos by ITC. Uh, Come, let's see what's in store for today's lunch. So this is the Amber Restaurant, as you can see, Amber Pavilion, where it's an all-day dining restaurant of Mementos by ITC. And here we enjoy our buffet breakfast, and then you can also order a la carte lunch and dinner. So let's see what is there in the menu for today. We were waiting for our food to come. I thought I'll just share a glimpse of this Amber Pavilion with you, because I just love the lovely chandeliers and the way they have done the interior of this place. It takes you back to feel like, you know, the luxury Maharaja and Maharanis of those times. This is the place where they also serve, as I said, the breakfast buffet, and it's generally placed over there in this area. They also do the evening high tea in the same place. I will show the breakfast menu tomorrow when I have my breakfast, but I thought I'll just show you this area where they have the spread being done. I just love the design and everything of this place. As you can see, the back curtains, they have just not left it like that. They have done a nice work even at the back of the door. And the wonderful chandeliers, as I said. And they do the folk dance and other stuff in this area, just near this wall. We'll share more updates on how the folk dance and other looks like in the later part of my video. We've got a very nice, comfortable, and amazing place to sit. We have a sofa by the side for the parents and kids. They are sitting very comfortably, having a lovely time. And for us, there is chairs, which is also kind of comfortable. And I just like the feel and environment over here, because it's not very loud music. And look at the top, beautifully they have done the paint and architecture over here in the restaurant. Coming to the food, we ordered couple of soups in the starting, which is 2 by 4 manchow. We have ordered for a couple of them, and then the sweet corn soup. They also have options for people who do not eat onion garlic, like my parents. So we ordered tomato soup for them. In the starters, we had ordered chili paneer. We ordered honey chili potato, though the chef is checking whether they can customize and prepare it for us. And we ordered dahi ke kebab for my parents who do not eat onion and garlic. In the main course, we have ordered margherita pizza for my daughter. She loves pizza and it's very yummy. We tried it yesterday. So people who are coming here, you can try margherita pizza. It's really nice. And we have ordered two curries, which is mixed veg kofta and paneer lababdar. We're thinking to have biryani. Let's see if we have, if there's space in our stomach to eat so much. And then in the breads, we have ordered a assorted bread platter, which has multiple options of bread. So let's see how the food tastes. So here they have given us some papadums before food to keep us happy and enjoying our food more. Yesterday they gave sabudana papad, that was very tasty. This looks to be some rice papad, which is also very tasty, by the way. And you can enjoy this with achar or some pickle that they provide you, some mint dip. This soup looks really, really crazy. It's a tom yum soup, Thai soup. Let me try this first. Hmm. It's kind of really tasty because I like coconut milk and it has a lot of coconut milk and it is little similar to khawsui, I felt, but the peanuts are missing. As it's really cold winter over here, I want to enjoy soup in this place. I try the tom yum first. Now it's the sweet corn which I'm trying. Crazy, but yeah, I'm fond of soups. This is okay. Could have been a little better. As the sweet corns are a little less than the vegetables in the sweet corn soup, so it's average. I'm at a soup marathon today. This is the third one which I'm having, which is my all-time favorite, manchow soup. Um, hmm, I'm not biased, but this is really the best of all the three. It's like the spices level are perfect and it's really yummy.
This is Makhania Paneer Kasha.
Alright.
Just stuffed with some dry nuts and marinated in some Indian spices. This
Wonderful.
is pumpkin seeds cheese naan. And this is apricot and mango chutney. This is our regular mint chutney.
Okay. You can give me some onions as well.
Certainly. And here you go with some onion salad on top of it. Please enjoy.
Thank you. So here we are starting our starters. The mathania paneer has been served and now I'm gonna try this with the apricot and mango chutney. It's delicious. It's like on top paneer tikka with some nuts which is filled in between and it's really yummy. Yeah, sure. Thank you. We'll try some honey chili potatoes now. The texture is quite crispy. It's tasty. It's nice. Decent. The red Thai curry with jasmine rice that I've ordered.
This is broccoli and tofu.
Tofu. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's try this. It's very tasty, a little spicy, which I like. It's tasty. Sauce, creamy pasta. I have ordered for some more cheese to put on top of it. Okay, where's my fork? It's here. I'm gonna try this. It's delicious. It's very tasty. So here at Mementos by ITC Jaipur, I am doing the kite flying activity and I'm just loving it because my kite has reached the top at the sky and I'm just loving the view from here and enjoying the kite flying with my kids. It's a lovely weather here, not that cold, neither that hot. So perfect timing, perfect wind, perfect temperature, perfect place, and having lot of fun with the kite flying activity.
Please stop holding it. Stop holding it on something very bad.
We had an amazing folk dance performance, and now I'm having my tea, which is very dear to me. It's really nice. It has a nice masala flavor, and the best part is that they have freshly brewed it for me and prepared it. So I really love this tea. We are here at Kebabs and Curries, is just a specialty restaurant in Mementos by ITC. It is mainly special for kebabs, both veg and non-veg. And as you can see, the feel in this place, it has an amazing vibe. They are playing sitar and tabla. It takes you back to our old times. Very peaceful place with absolutely no noise, and the menu seems to be a little different. Types of the Mughlai kind of dishes are there. So as I try, I'll show you more of how is the taste of the dishes. Tandoori aloo. Okay. This looks more like aloo chaat ko kisi ne mash kar diya. It looks really yummy, but that's it, I think. Thank you. It's like grilled potatoes, and then they have kind of put some tandoori masala to it and some onions. It's really tasty but different. Dahi ke kebab, authentic Indian dish. This is really tasty because the curd is sometimes a little sour, but here it's like optimal, not sweet, not sour. So that's why I like it. And there's some corn stuffing inside, so it's yummy. So this is one of the most special dish in kebabs and curries, which is called dam ke bhole. Just like the name, it's very different because it has a Italian cheese with cottage cheese and some veggies kind of fitter. Let's try how it is. It's one of the best starters. I would recommend this whenever you come here. Do try this dish. It's very yummy. So here's the main course. We have ordered for paneer kuchran and dal makhani with my favorite bread, rumali. Paneer kuchran is like dried version of kadai paneer. It's not different. Let's see how is dal makhani. This is very good. With the rumali, it's going really great. Here comes the dessert time. This is authentic dessert of India, which is kulfi with faluda. And I'm going to try that. The kulfi is very tasty. The texture is little soggy type, but it is more like rubbery with faluda. So here's the authentic Rajasthani dish. How can we go without having that? Being in Jaipur, which is dal bati churma. Here's the churma. Here's the dal, and bati is dipped into the dal. Let's see. My mother-in-law was craving to have this, and now I wanna see how did she find it. It's nice, amazing. So now the time has come for me to check out from Mementos by ITC Jaipur, and I would take this time to share my honest feedback about the pros and cons that I felt in this entire 3 days of my stay. This venue is predominantly for a wedding. So when there is a wedding happening, obviously you wouldn't get any rooms because the entire property is sold out. But when you're planning a leisure stay and the wedding is not happening, you would really feel the services that are top notch. The reason being, there'll be very limited guests that would be there in this property during that time. So, if you're a person like me who likes to stay away from the hustle and bustle of the city, from the work, and just come and relax and get top notch facilities, you would really like it. But if you're like my family members and my daughter, who likes to mingle with people during their stay, who likes to enjoy the recreational activities with a lot of other members, then you will feel this place is a little deserted. The reason being, whenever there is any activity that's happening, you will find very limited people around you. When I'm staying, it's couple of rooms, like 3 or 4 rooms that's been there. So when my daughter goes for recreational activities in the kids play area, that's her favorite spot in all the 5 stars. She stays there for hours. But in this place, she was hardly there for 15-20 minutes, and then she came saying, I'm getting bored because there were no kids to play around that place. So that's a real big con, because you come here, enjoy with other people, and get along with others, then you'll really not like this. And the other con which I found is the missing points in the rooms. When you get in the room, there's only one mirror that is there in the restroom, right? So in case you want to get ready and somebody has occupied the washroom, you really have nothing to see yourself. So that's a big con I felt. I personally felt it, so I'm sharing the feedback. Other than that, yeah, there are cons are these, but there are pros also. As I said, that there are limited guests, so you get amazing services. People are always there for you. You get all the teas and all of that on a complimentary basis. So whatever I had over here, everything was on a complimentary basis, which was included in the package that I paid. The package amount was little bomb, which I'll share at the end. But as I said, all the activities were included in the package. So that's one thing, that whenever you ask the buggy, or you want a masala tea, or you want to order something in the in-room dining, everything comes at the top-notch, service. Everybody is available. Like in 5-10 minutes, you will get whatever you want. The buggy came within a minute, by the way. So there's another thing is that this property is in a limited landscape. It's just have a 12-acre land. So there is minimal things to do here. Coming to the recreation activities, there is folk dance, and there is some person who reads your hand, and there is also there's one more activity, which is kite flying. That's all. So as I said, there should have been some more activities to keep you occupied for a 2 or a 3 day stay. But I think it's because they just are more interested in wedding happening, so they don't really have much things to do here. Now I'll come to the most important part, which is the rates. So I have booked here 3 rooms. The 2 rooms were at the mediocre levels, which is the villas, and the rate came down to 50,000 inclusive of tax, all meals, everything included into that. Then I booked a suite for myself, a pool suite, which is the highest category of room that you get in this place, and that came down to 85,000 inclusive of tax and all meals, breakfast, dinner, lunch, and your high tea. So that's about the prices. I know it's a little on a higher end when you compare this with other 5 stars around, and also the activities that you get in here. So I shared my honest opinion with you about all the experiences that I got here. On the services, I would really rate it 1. On other things, like I said, the less people around, less recreational activities around, some missing points in the rooms, it needs some sort of improvement. Also, one more point. When I was checking in, the roads were quite bumpy, because I think they are extending the hotel to some more rooms. So when you're traveling with pregnant women or senior citizen, you got to be a little careful, because the roads were really bumpy.
आवनी पधारो हमारे देश, भारत हेलो भंवर जी आवनी पधारो हमारे देश, केसरिया वाला आवनी पधारो हमारे देश। आवनी पधारो हमारे देश, भारत हेलो भंवर जी आवनी पधारो हमारे देश, केसरिया वालम आवनी पधारो हमारे देश, भारत हेलो भंवर जी आवनी पधारो हमारे देश, केसरिया वालम आवनी पधारो हमारे